Say, this is Benedict. You know, sit pretty too. You gotta sit. Say, all paws on the ground for Stacy. Good boy. This is gonna be Dizzy. You gotta be further. There you go. Look how cute that face is. He's a senior. Oh my goodness, you gotta wait. That's so Dizzy. Yeah, go see Monique. So we can see your face on the video.
Hey, look here, bud. Look. Here, you want this? Sit. Good boy.
This might be the dizziest video we've ever done. I didn't expect that for a senior. I didn't expect that for a senior. Sit. Wait. Good boy.